What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, you guys saw last week, we ended up just taking the mufflers off. Told you guys we weren't gonna let that stay for long, and I actually ended up getting a really good deal on a catback exhaust. So I ended up getting an ETS, got a super good deal on it. It's the version 2. I don't think it's gonna be too loud. I think it'll be loud enough. So we're gonna go ahead and install that. But I'll show you guys the exhaust. I ended up finding this on Facebook Marketplace. So it is the ETS V2 Quiet. So here are the mufflers and the tips, and then here's the actual exhaust. So like I said, it is the ETS V2. It was a really good deal. It was $200. So he had it listed at $500. The exhaust is like $1,000 brand new. So I paid $200 for it. I'm like, $200 for an exhaust? You can't beat that. So super excited right now. The car is obnoxiously loud. Exhaust fumes come in. There's Ben creeping. Dan's here too. We got the whole squad. So I'm super excited. Hopefully it's not too droney, but since it is the Quiet, I don't think it's gonna be that loud. So we're gonna go ahead, pull the Evo in, jack the car up, and then we'll throw the exhaust on. It should only take us like 10-15 minutes since the exhaust is already off. So I'm super stoked to hear how it sounds. All right, so we got the car all jacked up, and I think there's still a piece of the exhaust we gotta take off.
Yeah, we're gonna need another.
Yeah, so that last piece you guys can see in there, we gotta take that off, and then, dude, this thing's gonna be loud. I didn't realize Dale just zip tied it up. That works. So as you guys can see, no exhaust under here currently, but will be one soon. So we couldn't find the OEM gasket, but we ended up digging through a box, and we found this one. So it is a 3-inch gasket. Hopefully it'll work. So yeah, we got the last piece of the catback off.
I didn't swear again for you.
Good job, I did. I failed. Ben said he was gonna roast me in this video, but I haven't gotten roasted yet.
I mean, someone has to work. So.
Hey, who got that rusty bolt off?
Yeah, because I'm under your car.
Who kicked it though? Oh yeah, that's right.
Who was like, I can't kick it.
But I did it.
You didn't even kick it, you just pushed on it.
Well, yeah, but I don't train these suckers for nothing, all right?
I train nothing for nothing.
Obviously, you're gonna get the rusty bolt.
So this exhaust is heavy. Alright, exhaust.
It's ready?
Sir.
It's time to go on?
It's time to go on.
All right, let's get it.
Oh, and you have a job after this too.
No, I don't do those, bro. Did you just call me TJ Hunt?
No.
Don't you ever say that.
I mean, I guess it's close. No, wrong way. But
Oh my god. I'm trying to film here, okay?
oh, that's pretty dead even.
Yeah, it's pretty middle. Oh, that looks good. Oh, guys, look at these welds.
Yeah, you know why?
Why?
Because it's done by a machine.
Yeah. Yeah, they look gorgeous. So I was gonna get the Manzo, but I found this on Facebook for $480. Lowballed him and got it for $200. So ETS V2, $200. That's not a bad deal though.
No, it's not.
And so I'm pretty excited that we're actually getting like name brand stuff for the Evo 10. And I think Grace is gonna like it too, so. And then if you guys are wondering, this came off of a 2015 Evo 10 Final Edition. So this exhaust only has like 3,000 miles on it.
You only have like 3,000 miles on it.
Dude, I'm like 150,000 miles. I'm heavily used and abused.
You lying.
No oil changes, nothing.
You got like 10 miles on this street.
Look at them tips, boy.
Oh, titties.
Is that a tomato?
Is mine the wrong way?
Mine's not. Mine's on.
Look at them muscles.
Something that Adam doesn't have.
What, muscles?
Yeah.
Bro, I'll have
Yours
more
are fake.
muscles than you'll ever have. You could train for the next 10 years and I'll still have more muscle
Oh,
than
yours
you.
are fake, according to that kid at us last night.
I'm on steroids.
Yeah, you're a trend, bro.
Didn't you know? I'm steroided up.
Well, it's,
so
all
small,
just, it's all just creatine.
It's all crazy.
It's all water weight.
It's all water weight. What?
That's all it is.
I have another follower too on my Apex MR page. By the
That's-
way, go follow. Shameless plug.
Oh, that was good. I didn't even have to plug you.
But you still have to again.
No. All right, I just finished. I'm super tired from the install.
Okay, TJ, huh?
Just kidding. It's all done.
No, it's
Wow.
Dustin Williams.
That was bad, dude.
TJ actually wrenches on some shit. Dustin doesn't.
I
Did you
bet-
see TJ sold the Ferrari though?
I bet he got like 300K for it.
Probably more.
But TJ just puts his hand in the bottle and agrees, hey, I did something, guys.
That's me. I'm so excited to hear this, guys. So everything's done.
Grace.
And now we're gonna lower it back down and see how it sounds. So I realized you guys might want to hear what this car sounds like on a cold start, so here you guys go. So honestly, it's not as loud as I was hoping, but that means we need a test pipe and then we need a down pipe too. So hopefully Grace is okay with that. I don't know. What do you think?
Yes.
You're cool with it being louder? What do you think of this so far?
Oh, I like it right now.
You do?
Good grief, it's bright. Yes, I like it right now. But it could be a little louder.
A little bit louder?
Yeah.
So it's definitely louder than the previous exhaust we had on, and it's a better quality exhaust, so I'm not mad that I got a different exhaust. And we did find out that the other one was a full catback. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of the sound of the Evo. Let me know what you guys want to see me do to this in the Evo 8. If you guys have recommendations on brands for downpipe and or test pipe, let me know, because I need to order those soon to make this thing a little bit faster and a little bit louder. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you guys in the next one.
I like everything about you.